Hello, it's time for your English lesson. This is number 37. But first, 3-hint quiz. This is a room in every school, including Tower English. Number 2, there are many students in this room and maybe only one teacher. There are many chairs, maybe only one teacher's desk. What am I talking about? I'm talking about classroom. Classroom. Okay, why did I choose this? Because today's lesson is all about, are there many? Many and some, and a few and lots. This is very, not so difficult, but it's a little difficult between English and Japanese. There's a big difference. Let me show you the grammar rule. Here we go. I'm going to zoom in. Almost too much. Here we go. Okay, here's Mrs. Sheriff with her ABCs. Now, okay, this is all about countable things, things you can count. If I get my example of this, here's my classroom. Here we have children's chairs, students' chairs. You can count, right? You can see there are 9, right? But maybe from a distance, we're not sure how many are there. Yeah, so the question, how many are there? And we can count chairs. We can count chairs. There are some. And a question, are there any? Yes, there are some. Some means more than one, but how many, I don't know. There are some chairs, it's not important. There are some. So the question, are there any? Yes, there are some. Now, we can make it more information. There are lots of chairs. That means many. There are lots of chairs. Oh, there's 9. There's lots. Or we can say many. There are lots of chairs. There are many chairs. Or there are a lot of. All means the same thing. Here we got lots of or a lot of. Or many. It's the same meaning. There are a lot of. Okay. So if we make a question, are there any chairs? Yes, there are some chairs. How many chairs? There are lots of chairs. Yeah, but how many? Oh, there are 9, right? Now, the opposite is a few. When there's only, maybe if there was only 3 chairs. You say, are there a lot of chairs? No, there aren't a lot of chairs. There are a few. A few means 1, 2, 3, something like that. But only when there's more than one. I know this is very confusing, but just remember you can count it. If there's only one, like teacher's desk, there is only one. There's not many or some or a few. There's only one. It's all about whether you can count things. Okay, what kind of that? I know. Well, let's do some more examples. Maybe it will make some kind of sense. Okay, so let's have a look over here. Here, it says, are there many astronauts? So it's just a question. Are there many astronauts? No, there aren't many. There's only one. In this example, only one. Okay, now here we've got children. Are there many students? Many? Only 2, isn't there? No, there aren't many. There are some students. Yeah, more than one. And we can even say it's a very small number. There are a few students. Okay, again, here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4 soldiers. Are there many soldiers? No, there aren't many. There are some, yes, some soldiers. Or we can say there are a few, small number. Now here we've got AKB 427, and it says, are there many pop singers? Many? Yes, there are many. There are lots of pop singers. Or we can say there are a lot of pop singers. Why do we have different ways of saying this? I don't know why, but you can say it different ways. There are many, there are lots of, there are a lot of. There aren't a few. No, it's not a few. There's many, 48, 47, 427. I don't know how many. There are a lot of pop singers. So all these mean the same thing. There are many, there are lots of, there are a lot of. Okay, let's come over here. We're going to try It's a lot to remember, isn't it? So let's see, look at the picture. Are there many pop singers? Yes, there are. There are many, aren't there? So I'll help you here because this is very difficult. Are there many pop singers? Yes. There are many pop singers. Stop. Okay. Are there many students? Many students? Many? There's only two, isn't it? So, no. There aren't many students. Are there many partridges? Remember, partridge in a pear tree. No. No. There's only one, isn't there? No. There aren't, you can say there aren't many, or there is only one. There aren't many. Or you can say there is only one. Of course, one partridge in a pear tree. Are there many zombies? Wow, so many zombies. Yeah, maybe. Yes, there are. You can say there are. You can say there are many, or there are lots, or there are a lot of. I'm going to do lots. There are lots of zombies. We don't usually put so many exclamation marks. One is enough. Wow. Okay, have a go. This is one of those difficult things in English, countable and uncountable. Don't worry too much. This is like high school level. So if you kind of half understand now, that's good. This is an introduction, so don't worry. Okay, right, next. Let me clear this one. We have one more thing. There are not many more questions. There is only one more question. What is this word? Namey. Not namey. How namey? Of course, it's many. Good luck with your homework, and I'll see you soon.